The base of all this is the standard 14119. It regulates the requirement for movable guards. And we try to summarize this within 3 criteria, which you have to go through to find your perfect product for your safety locking device. First of all, we start with the type of safeguard. So do we use a door or is it just a flap? Second step is, do we have process or personal protection? When we clarify this, we can go to the performance level. That means we can do a risk analysis, and then at the end we know exactly which product is right for our solution. We have a bigger portfolio now with 2 additional safety locking devices. We can find always the right product for your application and solution. We are in the food and beverage industry. That means we also have some hygiene requirements we have to take into account. That means for the PSENslock 2, which we can see here, we have a design where no dirt can stuck. We have some stainless steel actuator, which is easy to clean. And so it fits perfect into this application. We have the opportunity to connect this in serial. That means we save cables, we save time for the installation. And with our diagnosis, we have the opportunity to see when, for example, the machine is not running. We see exactly that, for example, this PSENslock 2 is not closed, and therefore we know with our diagnosis where we have to check our machine. When we come to the PSENmlock Mini, our second new product, we guarantee performance level D, category 3 in this case, and we can also use it as a space-saving product, because in comparison to our PSENmlock, we have 60% less area we cover with this. We have a filling machine here as an example. We had some special requirements from the customer side on this, because our customers said, we have not that much space within our production. The second point was we have to clean this regular, and that means we need an access management that only certified people can access the machine. And our PSENmlock Mini fits perfect into this machine, because we can use it horizontal, we can use it vertical. That means we are flexible in usage. Last but not least, we have the integrated access management. Together with our PID gatebox and PID reader, we can give our customer a perfect integrated access automation, because only authorized people can access to the machine.